strong earthquake occurred today in the west of France. The National Seismic Monitoring Network reported a magnitude of 5.3, while the authorities say a magnitude of 5.8. In any case, this is the strongest earthquake recorded in the country since 2002. The epicenter was located at a depth of 5 kilometers in the Charente Maritime Department. Tremors were felt in New York, La Rochelle, Bordeaux, Nantes, and other cities. One person received minor injuries. Cracks are also reported in several buildings. Due to damage to the high voltage line, more than 1,000 homes were left without electricity.